Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Call of Duty Mobile with an Xbox controller. First, make sure your Xbox wireless controller is charged. Then, enable Bluetooth on your mobile device. Hold the pairing button on your controller until the Xbox button flashes rapidly. On your phone or tablet, go to Bluetooth settings and select your Xbox wireless controller to complete the connection. It's a straightforward process to get started. Once your controller is connected, open Call of Duty Mobile. Head into the game's settings, and you'll find a dedicated controller tab. Here, you can fine-tune your experience. Adjust your button layout to suit your playstyle, modify aiming sensitivity for precision, and even invert your look controls if you prefer. Taking a few moments to personalize these settings will significantly enhance your gameplay. As you start playing, I recommend spending some time in the practice range. This helps you get comfortable with the controller's feel and button mapping. Remember, Call of Duty Mobile's matchmaking typically groups controller players with other controller players, ensuring fair competition. Also, keep in mind that while gameplay is seamless, you might occasionally need to use your screen for certain menu navigations or specific in-game interactions. If you run into any connection problems, a quick restart of both your Xbox controller and mobile device often resolves them. Always keep your Call of Duty Mobile app and your phone's operating system updated to the latest versions for the best performance and compatibility. For a more comfortable and immersive experience, especially during longer gaming sessions, consider investing in a phone clip that attaches your device directly to your controller.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.